Oh, stop it.
What's up, everybody?
Cut that goddamn camera off.
What's up, man?
Nick and Cheese.
We fucked up down here in New Orleans.
New show, Our Life, Your Entertainment. What's up, Ken?
What's up, good?
What's up, man?
Good, y'all.
Shit, man, we out here doing it. Oh, what's up, man?
You want some burritos?
Damn, man, you over there laid up with two ladies, man?
Man, I don't know what happened, man.
Damn, man.
I fell asleep and I woke up, man. That's all I was saying.
Where are we?
Cheese, oh my God, whatever.
Yeah, man. What you talking about?
Anyway, man, I'm gonna give everybody a view where we staying at.
It's a shitty view.
It's a shithole. This motherfucking hotel's 5-star. Look at this bullshit.
What's the sausage biscuit in there?
Damn, man. Get your big ass.
Is it a sausage biscuit?
Man, ain't nothing in there.
Hey, man.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my God, are you serious?
What's up, man?
Man, I'm gonna walk to McDonald's. I'm hungry.
What's up, man? How you been doing, bro?
Chillin', man.
What you been doing out here? What you been doing out here in New Orleans, man?
Drunk, man.
You're still drunk?
Oh my God, it's really
y'all was
nothing.
sleeping at 1 o'clock last night, y'all ass.
What you doing, homeboy? Man, get your big...
Where's McDonald's at?
Hey, man.
I don't know, man. I don't know where McDonald's is
Throw
at.
my pajamas on. Give me some.
Well, throw your pajamas
That's
on.
messed up, man.
I don't know what's going on.
I'm still drunk and I'm hungry.
Hey, man.
It ain't nothing to eat. How the fuck my bag get way over there? Who put my bag over there?
My life, your entertainment. My life, your entertainment. We don't know about nothing.
My bag over there.
Hey, man.
That's wide open.
Man.
Y'all motherfuckers. Oh
Damn.
my God. No manners around here. I'm starving.
Shit. All right.
Don't even give me no
Cool.
McDonald's. Man, I'm pissed off.
Man.
Raven, what you guys say about that?
Man, take that stocking cap off,
Well,
man.
take that damn rain cap off. It's not showering in this motherfucker.
Sexy even in the morning.
She's sexy even in the morning.
Not that fucking breath. Man, what's wrong with this?
Are you still sick, man?
Look at this nigga, man. Look at this nigga, man. That nigga sleep with the clothes on, man. That nigga fucked up, man.
I woke up. I got breakfast.
Yes. What?
I'ma go.
Thank
Hey, man.
you, please.
Anyway, man.
This is too much, man.
I'm starving.
Alright, man. This is first one.
Job,
We gonna do mini.
My life,
My Life, Your Entertainment.
Nick, where's your pants?
motherfuckers.
Can I fit my pants?
That was crazy.
Damn, where did that watermelon head come from? Fuck, man. We're out, man. It's too much. It's too much shit going on in here.
Goddamn.
We're out.
It's right here. Oh, that's right.
Okay, let me see.
Anyway,
Nah, I ain't stopping.
I can't function right now.
we're gonna do another installment.
Stop it. Turn that damn camera. Man, cut that camera. Oh, Lord.
Anyway,
Man, I'm going to church. Got me with these lucky
Go ahead.
shit on. I don't care. I don't give a shit. They're gonna
I'm talking, I gotta wash my face with something.
Wash your face. We gotta go, man.